What is up, YouTube? So it's been a while. We haven't done a vlog type of video or an install type of video in quite a while. It's been way too long. But today is the day, and we are finally installing something new on the Mo's car. I know it's always Mo's car, never mind. I work too damn much.
He said it.
I work too damn much. This dude he got time to order and buy stuff, you know what I'm talking about? Anyways, today we're gonna be installing. Go ahead, tell them what they're installing or what you're installing.
We're installing a GT350 steering wheel.
On a GT.
On a GT, yeah, you know.
So you know the wing. He had the grill extensions on.
Yeah.
Don't mind that. We had to take them off.
Yeah.
But
They got too cold and one of them started slipping off, so I took them all off.
they'll go back on in the winter. But basically, it's a GT, but with everything 350 style. Hey, I got the GT500 wing and exhaust and in valence. Yeah.
What's coming next?
I don't know. Wait, what's coming next? I don't know what's coming next.
Yeah, guys, we're about to start the install. CJ Pony Parts does a great job of makes it look bright.
I know. It makes us look weird. This shit look weird.
It's for warm. It's cold.
Facts
But,
and some good lighting.
Yeah, so we're gonna start with taking the airbag out. I've had it disconnected for the last hour, so
Yup.
the car has no electricity going through it.
So,
Let's get started, Dan.
all right, let's get to it.
Dude.
So, downside about when you do something like this is that with the windows on a seamless window car, they roll down when you open the door and roll back up once it's closed. With the battery being disconnected, it can't do that. So once you open the door, it's kind of just got to stay open. But so starting off in here, it's a little dark. I don't got much lighting, but you gotta. Once we figure out what we about to do.
Yeah, we need that.
All right, guys. So we did it.
We did it,
Got
guys.
the goddamn airbag out.
And we're still here.
Woo! Low key, I don't like that. It's like playing surgery. I get the car is disconnected and everything, but like seeing YouTube videos of how powerful airbags are when they go off, like it's
crazy.
It's nerve-wracking holding that. I'm not gonna lie.
But shit, guys. Dan the man, guys. Guys, I'm gonna be honest, I was sus as hell even touching the damn airbag. Dan got that bitch out quick.
Fuck that.
quick, dude.
Oh my
Wow.
God.
But alright, guys, the next step. Go ahead and tell them the next step, Dan.
All right, we gotta get an impact gun, and there's one big bolt in the center of the steering wheel that you gotta get off. And is it two little ones as well?
No, it's just one big.
Just the one big one, the whole
24
thing pulls
mil,
off.
and the whole thing pulls off.
All right, and then we gotta transfer all the buttons and everything from one steering wheel to the new one.
Yep.
And then put the wheel back in, clip everything back on, and it's done.
That's it.
That's it. That's the install.
Yep. All right, guys. Wait.
All right, guys.
Which way is
So
it gonna go?
what?
It's gonna go to the left, right?
Yeah. Reverse is this way. There you go.
Wait, is that the right way?
No, push it. There you go.
Yeah.
That's reverse.
Okay.
All right. Anyways, guys, so we got the impact out. Mo's gonna be impacting his fucking steering wheel.
Hard
But-
freight.
A quick sneak peek, guys, you know. I'm sure all of you guys will already know what this means, but I'm just gonna give you a sweep of it for the next mod that we're doing.
Oh, yeah, just
Boom.
quick little.
That's
look.
it. That's it. That's all you gonna get.
You know, if you follow us on Instagram, you'll get to see what it is in the next couple of days.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This car is already loud, and I don't even know if it can get louder, but it may. But the good news is it might just be the same amount loud, but there's gonna be no drone. Yeah. So, yeah. Alright, so this is what it looks like with the airbag off the car. And if you can see right here, this nut right here is the one that's got to come off, and the whole steering wheel falls off after that. After you get all these harnesses and everything off. Touch that. That's dangerous right there.
you
This is the
know,
contraption we gotta use right
we
here.
strapped.
Ooh.
You don't want to mess with us.
Go at it.
Before I do anything, make sure it's all seated. Good to you, man?
Alright guys, so here we go.
Ready now?
Yep.
Gotta hold it or anything?
Yeah, just like that. Boom. Just that's it. That's it. That is all that holds on your steering wheel. That's kind of crazy. There was a recall on the Fusions because it was too short and the steering wheel kept falling off. That's it. Ooh, quick release.
Quick release, baby. Race car goals, guys.
All right.
Damn, it's actually really heavy, dude.
Is it really?
Feel it.
Ooh, this boy got some weight to it. Okay. Yeah, that's really strange holding the steering wheel
Without it on the car.
without it on the car.
That looks
Yeah,
so
look at this is what we had to push. I guess this is the.
Yeah, we didn't damage anything.
It's really weird to get the steering wheel airbag off. There's these two little holes here on the side, right here, and one on the other side, right there.
To release the
But
springs.
what you have to do is you have to push on these springs, and that's what releases it. And it's low-key really hard to
It's actually pretty damn tough, not gonna lie.
to hit those, because you have to hit it exactly right here. That's all you're hitting. It's just that little thing.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Right.
All right, guys, we're gonna bring it into the basement though, so we're in the warm, and we're transferring all the controls to the new steering wheel. See you down there.
So, you know.
All right, so we're inside. We have the old wheel down here and the new wheel. About to give you guys a peek of what they both look like. You already seen this one, it's the old one.
Stock wheel.
But this right here,
Are y'all ready for this?
oh, hold up,
Are y'all ready?
difficulties.
Let me just take this out the bag, guys.
Flat bottom as well.
Alcantara, baby.
Alcantara,
With
leather,
the red stitching, guys.
and ooh.
And the red racing stripe up top.
It's the 350R wheel, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
Just hold on, I'm about to flip the camera. Look at the quality of these stitches. All right, look at the stitching right here. This is like Lambo. That's dope. All right, check that out.
OEM Ford part. I got this from Gary Yeoman's Ford or some shit.
Nice.
But yeah, guys, the harness is all in. We just gotta transfer the stuff.
How heavy is this one compared to that one? About the same?
That one's lighter.
Wow, dude, this is a lot lighter. I think that's because also this one has the controls in it. This one doesn't.
Yeah.
But look at the difference in that. Fully circular, you know? Little flat bottom. The thing I like about it is when Ford does the flat bottom here, it's not like a Lambo. It's not Jurassic.
Yeah. It's real, like, smooth.
Yeah, it doesn't.
It's still a really,
you know,
yeah.
it's really good.
It's a smooth.
And it's still leather down here, but everything up is Alcantara except for the little stripe at the top. So, we're gonna get into switching the controls, and we'll get back to it.
Yep.
Oops. All right, guys. So we already started a little bit here.
Yep.
We got one of the controls off. Basically, there's two screws right here. You have to pull this off in a certain order, like you have to have that off in order to get these out. But once you do that, there's just a little harness in the back that clips in. The new steering wheel comes with the harnesses already, so you don't have to do anything. It's literally just plug and play. So next step is getting this piece off, which we already
got
did
the screws off.
Straight over there. And
Just prying it off, really. I said we gotta put the camera down for this.
nope,
You know, Dan always with the stuff.
just like that. Sounds like you're breaking shit, but you're not. That's just how it is.
Not.
So, next we got to get this side off, or even just this side. We're installing onto the new wheel. Flush, perfect. We're good. All right, so we're gonna put the camera down to transfer everything over, and then once everything's transferred, we're gonna show you the new look. So, all right, guys. All right, guys. So, this is it. Everything's transferred over to this wheel from that wheel. Everything's plugged in, screwed down. All we gotta do is install this wheel back on the car, and that's it.
That's it.
Boom. So that's all you need. That and a T20 bit.
And you need a Dan in your life.
All right, guys. So the wheel and everything is back in. This is the finished product.
I'm about to take the plastic off in front of you
Hold on
guys.
one sec. Let me turn on the light for you guys. There you go. The quality of that stitching right there is
Yeah,
that's
guys.
amazing.
Man, dude. Shout out Dan, guys.
Dan is honestly my personal mechanic. Like I've said in the previous videos.
Oh my god. That's nice.
God. Oh, we just gotta install the
Connect the battery again.
Make sure it all works. So, about to trap Mo in here. Tint light. Tint light for you all. Alright, so all we gotta do right here, connect the negative terminal. That's it. So, give me one sec, and we're gonna connect everything. Really show you guys the finished product with the interior lights of the car. So, alright. Alright guys, battery's connected. Hood shut. Should I open the garage? Alright.
Alright, so don't close the door yet.
Oh my god. Welcome to winter in Michigan. Just for the record, my car was literally just cleared off not even 30 minutes ago. And this is how it is, daily driving Mustangs in the winter.